Hello ladies, it's Osi Craft here, and today we're going to unbox and swatch some makeup products from L'Oreal and Maybelline products. But before that, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. So by the way, I get this product during SM Lanang Premier Mad for Makeup featuring Maybelline and L'Oreal products. L'Oreal products. So number one, we have this. Here is a L'Oreal Revital Lift Laser times 3 Day Cream. So I think this one is a sample pack lang. Yan. Which is nagamit ko na. I already tried this one. I lost the description of this product, but it's a new skin anti-aging. Use every morning on cleanse face and neck. So, parang day cream lang siya. Parang siyang moisturizer. And then, another thing, we got this L'Oreal. It's a color-rich pocket palette. It's an eyeshadow. So, sa likod, meron siyang description on how to base it. So, may numbering siya. We have base, lid, highlights, and liner. So, ganito itsura niya. Wala siyang mirror, but it has a parang light brown. I think this one is the base. And then, for the lids, I'm not sure you can use this one. The next color, the next darker color from the base. And then, meron siyang, pwede mo din itong gamiting highlighter or something. And then, liner for the dark colors. For this, I think this one is for the crease area. So, yan. Oops! Meron pala siyang kasamang ano tawag ito? Applicator. I think this one is applicator. So, let's try to swatch, but I'm not going to use this applicator kasi sayang. Paganda ba naman siya? Medyo pointed. Sa kabila, round. And then, let's try the base one. But before, I'm going to get this out. Yeah. So, let's try it. So, for the base, this one is the base. Okay, ko na swatch natin ito. So, ganyan. Yan. Ewan ko lang kung nakikita nyo. May shimmer po siya, hindi siya matte. And then, let's try the darker. Dito na lang natin ilagay. Yan. This one is for the brown. The third one. You see the difference ba? And then the darkest one is this. So yeah, so here it is. Here are the colors for this L'Oreal Color Rich Pocket Palette, or tinatawag din na eyeshadow. Actually, I'm using it right now. Yes, so ang ginamit ko lang is the base color, and then this one, parang chocolate brown color. So, yan ang ginamit ko ngayon. So, I think this is it. And then, for the last item inside the L'Oreal mini paper bag is a L'Oreal Le Matte. I think this one is a lipstick. Yes, ayan. Parang crayon type lipstick siya. It's matte for me. 100. I think parang siyang magenta. Let's try to swatch it. Here na lang. Oh, yan. Ganyan ang kulay niya. It's buttery. And yeah, buttery siya. Maganda siya. Matte talaga siya. Let's try. I will put it in my lips na lang. Ano yung tsura niya? Yeah. Closer look. So, yun. Medyo nag-lip gloss lang ako. But, or feeling ko bagay ito sa mga puti na babae. But I mean is, yung kanyang skin tone is white. Medyo morena po ako. Hindi po ako puti. Yeah, but I think bagay lang siya sa light. So, yeah. This is for the Le Mat by L'Oreal Paris. Okay, now for the next brand, which is the Maybelline product item, they gave the Maybelline Dream Satin Skin with my SPF 24+++ liquid foundation. So this one in the shade of 04. I haven't opened it yet. Hindi ko pa nabuksan kasi I still have the L'Oreal Infallible. So I think pag naubos na yun, I will use this one. This shade. I'm not sure if this one is darker. So, sige, open na lang natin para makita niyo. Ayan. So, this one in the shade of 04. So, let's try. So, I think it's yan. Feeling ko dark siya. Para makaya lang siya ng yan ang itsura niya. Somehow, it helps. I think this one is okay for my skin. Kaya lang to. Tapos, powder na after. Yan. So, this one is the Dream Satin Skin by Maybelline products. It's a liquid foundation. So, I've been using this one, the B3 or B4. I'm not sure. Nakalimutan ko na. Basta B yun. They also gave me this lip gloss type na medyo may stain. So, ito yung ginamit ko kanina. So, ito ang kanyang kulay. Let's swatch it. So, parang cherry lang. Parang cherry type lang. May mabango siya. Parang cherry. So, this one is okay for everyday use. So, I use this before I'm going to sleep. Kasi nag-dry talaga ang lips ko, so I'm using lip gloss before I go to sleep. Yes. Thank you, Maybelline. And then, the other one, they gave us this as an invitation naman. So, ang invitation na binigay nila is a lipstick and then nakalagay, you're invited to the event. So, ibang klaseng invitation, may kasama ng lipstick. This one is a Vivid 4 Rosy Orange. Vivid Matte. So, it's a matte. Ganito ang itsura niya. Rose orange siya. So, let's swatch it. Here na lang. Here. Yeah. That's the color of the rose orange ng Maybelline Vivid Matte. This one is okay. I think makaputi siya, especially for morena. Aside from dark color na lipstick, this one, orange, medyo may pagka-reddish orange. I think makaganda siya ng complexion for me. For morena like me. And then, the last item inside the Maybelline products is the Maybelline New York Color Tattoo 24R. I think this one is a gel cream eyeshadow. Yes, this is a gel cream eyeshadow. Yan. Nakalagay dito, Maybelline New York Color Tattoo 24 Hours Gel Cream Eyeshadow. So, I wanted to have a gel cream eyeshadow, which is si Clea, who is also a vlogger, a K-pop vlogger na mahilig sa K-pop. She is using a cream eyeshadow from the other brand. So, I think maganda tingnan sa kanya because she used a primer before applying it. So, I tried this one without a primer. So, maganda naman ang output niya kasi parang greasy type siya na may pagka-shimmer. But then, pag natagalan, I mean, pag napainitan ka na, hindi ko mag-melt, tsaka magpunta siya sa lines ng aking eyelids. So yun, I think I have to buy primer. Yung nirecommend ni Clea. But I don't have budget yet, so kailangan mag-ipon muna ako. So I'm going to swatch this one for you to see ano yung tsura niya. Feeling ko nag-hit pa na ako. So dapat light lang. So let's try it here. Oops. Shimmer pa rin siya, of course, kasi sabi niya, it's a gel cream eyeshadow. So, kung gusto mo ng pa-shimmer, I think that's it. So, there you have it. So, this is the Gel Cream Eyeshadow by Maybelline. Yeah. So, again, these are the products from Maybelline and L'Oreal. So, if you like to have this kind of video again, yung mga parang unboxing and then swatch ng makeup, just leave a comment down below para at least alam ko kung anong products ang pwede kong, kung anong meron ako at pwede kong iswatch para sa inyo. Just a disclaimer, hindi po ako magaling sa makeup. Mahilig lang po talaga akong mag-collect or mag-try ng mga products or other products of makeups, lalo na pag may mga magagandang reviews that I heard from my beauty vlogger friends. Yun. Hindi po ako nagmamayabang sa mga items that I have. These are all bigay lang po. At napanalunan ko nung contest during that event. So, medyo na masaya ako sa swatching natin today. So, if you have some questions regarding the products that I've shown you, please do comment down below para makita ko and try to answer the knowledge that I have. Okay? And thank you once again for watching my video, and until next time!